Now, some positive news happening here in the Fox Valley. If you need to get the oil in your car changed, go to a Bergstrom Automotive location near you. The company is hosting Oil Change Day on Saturday in partnership with Make-A-Wish Wisconsin. Drivers will be offered a $30 discounted oil change in exchange for a $15 donation to Make-A-Wish. It's all part of the company's June 3000 initiative to raise money so that kids battling critical illnesses can have their wish come true. Currently, there are more than 500 wishes still pending. The discounted oil changes will be offered starting at 8 o'clock Saturday morning.